Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on Raja festival in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Raja festival is a popular celebration in Odisha, India. Second line is it is a 3-day festival. Third line is it celebrates womanhood and the fertility of the earth. Fourth line is it is believed that Mother Earth goes through her menstruation cycle during this time. Fifth line is people avoid tilling the land for 3 days. Sixth line is they bath grinding stone as a representation of Mother Earth on the 4th day. Seventh line is this ritual is known as Basumati Snan. Eighth line is girls and women wear new clothes and apply alta, that is red dye, on their feet. ninth line is they enjoy swinging on decorated wooden swings. Last line is the festival emphasizes the importance of nature and its cycle.